So
what are we?
So I guess the waters are too rough for the big boat to go. So they got a speedboat coming to pick us up. Oh, there it is right there, baby. There it is. There we go. It's a new way to travel. Babe, what do you think of it?
It's so windy and so cold. It's 12 degrees, 11.
Yeah, so it's too crazy for the big boat to go. So they got a little speedboat.
So cold.
It's rocking like crazy.
It's okay. It's gonna be fast.
Yeah, it'll be over quick.
You can video. You have to put it steady so. So, we're gonna do a room tour here in Island. So first, the bathroom is the switch. So the common toilet seat, toilet,
Hot water on demand.
water, sink, and there's more nice down here. And we have 2 beds.
Yeah, if I get in trouble, then I'll be over there.
We have special. This is special for us because the owner of this hotel is my husband's friend, and they've known for 6 years already. And guess what? Oh my God! That's it. We're gonna have a honeymoon tonight. So, hope you will enjoy the rest of our stay here. Bye!
Hey. That's a $200 scratching post there. Cats and cat bar. Hey, kitty, kitty. Aww.
I need to have food first.
Yeah.
Guys, the tequila there was like kicking my face.
And this was my favorite the whole last time that I came here. The Hanoi beer.
But is it not the one that you're drinking in there?
I think they have, it might be, but I'm pretty sure they have like a few different versions of it.
The fish and everything.
different greens in it. Pineapple, carrots, cucumber, and I don't know what kind of fish this is, but it's big. I bet it's like I don't know what it is.
It's bigger. It's not tilapia. It is the traditional coffee of Vietnamese, condensed milk or